Understanding This is a Mess, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard quite often. This is a mess. This phrase can be quite versatile in its usage, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of English conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. The phrase, "This is a mess," is typically used to describe a situation, place, or even a state of affairs that is disorganized, chaotic, or just generally in a state of disorder. It's a handy phrase to express dissatisfaction or to comment on the lack of order. But remember, it's not always used literally. Sometimes it's used to describe abstract situations, like a complicated problem. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Literal usage. I came back home to find the kids had scattered toys everywhere. I said, "This is a mess," while looking at the cluttered living room. 2. Figurative usage. After reviewing the project plan and noticing numerous errors, I concluded, "This is a mess," meaning the plan was poorly organized and confusing. 3. In expressing emotions. During an argument, someone might say, "This is a mess," to express that the situation is getting out of hand and becoming emotionally chaotic. This phrase can also appear in different variations, which carry a similar meaning. For instance, 1. What a mess, used to express surprise or shock at the level of disorder. 2. It's all a mess, used to generalize the situation as being completely disorganized or problematic. So, there you have it. The phrase, "This is a mess," is a versatile expression in English, useful in various contexts to describe disorder, confusion, or problematic situations. Whether you're commenting on a cluttered room or a complicated personal dilemma, this phrase can come in handy. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.